Cutting and Pen Tool Guide for the A2L. Raise the Z-axis about halfway up. Remove the build plate from the heat bed and place the cutting platform in its place, aligning it on the heat bed in the same way as a build plate. Peel off and save the transparent protective film from the cutting platform. Remove the tool head front cover by pinching and lifting upward and out as shown. Remove the extruder wheel. On the cutting module, make sure the quick release lever is opened. Align the cutting module with the sliding tabs at the top of the tool head and slide it downwards until it stops. Close the quick release lever to lock it in place. Open the dust cover at the top of the tool head and insert the cutting module cable into the now exposed socket. Remove the protective cover from the cutting module's blade. Tap Calibration, then tap Next and start. Once the calibration is complete, place your processing material, in this case paper, onto the cutting platform. Press the material down onto the adhesive platform and use a roller to make sure it is evenly adhered and secure. Open or create a cutting job in Bambu Suite and select the Basic Cut process type. Select Prepare and Auto Arrange. Click the camera icon. Open Bambu Handy, tap the photograph icon. Follow the instructions in Bambu Handy to take a photo of the platform. Back in Bambu Suite, press the camera icon again, then press Obtain. In the material on the far right, select the type of material being processed. Select Preview and use the slider. Press Make, then Send. On the printer screen, press Make to start the process. After the job is complete, carefully remove the material using a scraper or weeding tool. Remove the height calibrator from the pen holder and install it onto the bottom of the holder. Loosen the pen clamp by turning it counterclockwise. Insert the pen all the way in, then tighten the clamp by turning it clockwise. Carefully pull the blade tip straight down to remove it. Insert the pin into the cutting module base. Remove the pin height calibrator. Place your processing material onto the cutting platform and press it down completely. Follow the instructions in Bambu Handy to take a photo of the platform. Open or create a drawing job in Bambu Suite and select the Drawing Fill process type. Click Prepare, select Material, click the camera icon. Adjust the pattern to the desired position on the processing background. Press Preview to preview the pattern. Press Make, then Send. After the drawing is complete, carefully remove the artwork from the platform. Reapply the protective film to the cutting platform then remove the platform. For more guides, tips, and troubleshooting help, visit the Bambu Lab Wiki at wiki.bambulab.com.